welcome back to Brick Reviews UK. Today we've got a little fun item for you. This is Kuromi X Primark. So basically it's from Primark. Yes, Primark doing well, as it says, fitting with leading brands. In other words, Lego compatible components. Right, Kuromi, I suppose you can class it as like the Loki version for Hello Kitty, sort of a bit of a mischievous tomboyish character. And Hello Kitty and Friends. What have we got on here? So 117 parts, £4.50 from Primark. It's licensed product, as you can see on there. Where are we? There we are. There we are. See, fully licensed, made under license. Hello Kitty and Friends, X Primark. Right, let's get inside. I've unboxed it, but only just removed the seal, so still class as unboxing video. Right, so what we got? Okay, 3 bags. Let's have a look. Instructions first of all. We've got a parts list there. Got a full parts list of obviously all the parts. Instruction wise, yeah, it looks like on this particular one, once they're done, they become like a pale light blue colour. So once they're completed, you've done that. Quite easy to follow instructions, it says on here. Again it says used under license, 2025. Right, yeah, just following the instructions. Yeah, so it's pretty simplistic. Well, how many parts was it? 117 parts. Right, we got 3 bags. They have got numbers on. You can see them there. Yeah, they've got some kind of numbering system on there. Once try to quickly look, that's actually I think they're possibly, yeah, that's like, it's got the same number with no point at the end of it, so it's got 0.2 on it. Right, and 1 printed pad piece for the face, which is looks like separate bricks. Let me just have a look. Let me just pull this out. Oh, should have said with the other one there was no little tool from the well-known company. So no, it's all solid. That's all. It's bricks, but it's all solid in one part. Right, let's get on. Let's try see what the bricks are like. Don't know if this is actually manufactured. Just have a look. Just can't see anything on here at all, you know. Just says who the importers are. Primark, Ireland, Dublin, US importer. Made in Yantian, China on the 1st, 2025. Right, bags. Probably a little bit easier to get into. Yep, they're easier to get into than the Kobe ones, and they've all gone flying. Anyway, we're looking, see what they're like. Okay, just a stud, as you can see on there, just a stud, obviously a moulding stud, slight discoloration there, I don't know what that is there. As normal, no markings on there. I think it's only Kobe I've come across so far. I've done that. Yeah, there's a bit of dirt or something in there. I don't know. Okay. Anyway, let's see what they're like together. A bit risky putting them together because we won't be able to get it apart. Well, it fits well together, I must admit. To tell you the truth, very, very nice and snappy. Yeah. Unlike the Kobe, which I said did come together, these ones, yeah, very impressed with that. Very impressed. Yeah, they maybe it's just luck. But anyway, try it again. And another piece, cut pieces. No, they fit together well. Yeah, good. They're good. Right, so what we're going to do, going to build it off camera as I did the last time, and also, and then we'll come back to you and give you my impression of what the little set is like. As I said, from Primark. Obviously a Primark exclusive. It's Primark branded. £4.50. Wow. It even says the colour. Purple. Which is a bit strange, really. Because it's not purple. But okay. It's black and white. Right. Get back to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Right, and we're back. Build all done. Actual fact, came together very, very nicely. This little set here. Yeah, as I said, the large big piece here, although it is tiles, but it's actually one large piece. But the actual build itself, yep, no problems whatsoever. Came together very, very easily. Size-wise, I didn't measure the other one, did I, yesterday? Might have yesterday to me, but obviously might be a different time to yourself. But anyway, the previous one, I didn't measure it, so we're going to measure it today. So height-wise, it's roughly about 90 centimetres. And I suppose depth of it, it's about 5 centimetres roughly, I should say, yeah. And width-wise, I don't know, about 5 again. So just so see if there's any room in your Calac unit for it to go into. I think you can get quite a few of them in a Calac unit, even in the little spacer there. Yeah, good little build. £4.50, what a bargain. I said went together very easily. Parts, let's put it on the side here. Parts very nice and snappy. Yeah, very pleased with that. There's no parts caused any problems with it coming apart and difficult to put in. No, brilliant. A couple of bits left over. I said there's only one printed pad there, so there's no stickers. Instructions very, very easy to follow. I mean, that is a small build, yeah, admittedly, but yeah, I was pleased with that. Couple of unique parts. It says fits with leading brands. Yeah, some of the parts did. They had a couple of unique parts which I've not seen before. Can't really see on the actual thing now where they actually are. They're hidden away. But yeah, a couple of what they call snot bricks. They are not the standard snot bricks. Not that I've seen anyway. But yeah, that's about it really. Normal jazz. Like, comment, subscribe, as I say on the other channel. Bye bye for now. Wait for the next one.